Making a hotel reservation. Characters. Anne, making the phone call to the hotel. David, sitting next to Anne, helping with details. Receptionist, a friendly and professional hotel employee. Scene. Anne and David are in their hotel room in Bangkok, looking at a website for a resort on Koh Lanta on a laptop.
This place in Koh Lanta looks perfect. Sunset Beach Resort. The reviews are fantastic.
It looks like paradise. The website is beautiful, but I have a few specific questions. I think it's better if I just call them directly to make the reservation.
Good idea. That way we can ask about the airport transfer and make sure we get a room with a good view.
Exactly. Okay, I've got their number. I'm calling now. Let's put it on speakerphone so you can hear too. Anne dials the number. The phone rings. Good morning, Sunset Beach Resort. This is Mali speaking. How may I help you today? Hello, Mali. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people, please. I'd be happy to help you with that. When are you looking to check in? We'd like to check in on the 15th of November. Okay, and how many nights will you be staying with us? We'll be staying for 5 nights, so checking out on the 20th of November? Perfect. 5 nights starting November 15th. Let me just check our availability for those dates. Sound of keyboard typing. Yes, we have a few rooms available. What type of room were you interested in? On your website, I saw the deluxe sea view rooms. Do you have any of those available? Let me see. Yes, we do have a deluxe sea view room available for your selected dates. They are very popular. David, ask if we can get one on a higher floor. The view will be better. That's great. Would it be possible to request a room on a higher floor? We'd love to have the best possible view. Of course. I've made a note of your request for a high floor room. We will do our best to accommodate that for you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Could you tell me the rate per night for that room? For that period, the deluxe sea view room is $150 a night, and that includes breakfast for 2.
That's a good price.
Okay, that sounds good. Before I book, could I ask a couple of questions about the resort's amenities? Certainly. Please, go ahead. Does the room have Wi-Fi access, and is it included in the price? Yes, all our rooms have complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi access. That's great. And what about the swimming pool? What are its opening hours? Our beachfront infinity pool is open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. Ask about the airport. Perfect. One more question. We will be flying into Krabi Airport. Does the hotel offer an airport transfer service? Yes, we do. We offer a private minibus service from the airport directly to the resort. There is an additional charge for that service. Okay, that's good to know. We'd definitely be interested in that. Wonderful. So are you ready to go ahead and make the reservation? Yes, let's do it. Excellent. Could I please have the full name for the booking? Yes, it's Anne, A-N-N-E, last name Forrester, F-O-R-E-S-T-E-R. Thank you, Ms. Forrester. And could I also have a contact phone number and an email address? Of course. The phone number is, and the email is, thank you. Now, to secure the reservation, I will need a credit card number. We require the first night's deposit to confirm the booking. No problem. David, can you pass me my wallet?
Here you go.
Okay, I'm ready. The card is a Visa. The number is, and the expiration date is, the name on the card is Anne Forrester. Thank you. The payment has been processed. Your reservation is now confirmed. That's wonderful. I'm sending a confirmation email to the address you provided right now. It will have all your booking details and your reservation number. Perfect. Thank you. So, just to double check, that's a deluxe sea view room for 2 adults, checking in on November 15th and checking out on November 20th. That is all correct, Miss Forrester, and I have your request for a high floor room noted here as well. You've been very helpful. Thank you so much, Mali. It has been my pleasure. We look forward to welcoming you and Mr.
David.
David. We look forward to welcoming you and David to the Sunset Beach Resort on November 15th. Thank you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. And hangs up the phone.
David, you were great. That was so smooth and professional.
Thanks. It's actually pretty easy when you know what to ask, and she was so nice. I just got the confirmation email.
Amazing. The final piece of our trip is booked. Koh Lanta, here we come.
I can almost feel that ocean breeze already.